how to see who viewed your Instagram highlights. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, ever wondered who's been checking out the Instagram story highlights? Well, today I'm going to show you it's simple to find out. So, you'll need to head over to your Instagram, go to your profile in the bottom right corner, and then go to the highlight section and just swipe it up. So here you will be able to see all of the people who viewed your highlights within 48 hours. As you can see, that viewer list and view counts aren't available after 48 hours, but those people who liked your story will still be available even after 48 hours. So that's how you can check your viewers. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.